healthy life.
WSNE HD2 Taunton, Providence. W284BA Warwick.
If you plan properly for your retirement, you should have enough money to cover your income needs. But if you don't, that means you may have to generate income during your retirement if you hope to live comfortably. Hi, this is Chuck Zana from the Armstrong Advisory. Generating retirement income tends to be difficult, which is why it couldn't be more important to have a retirement income plan that covers all the bases. Our new guide can offer great solutions, including dividend-paying stocks, capital appreciation, as well as Social Security claiming strategies. Call our office today at 800-393-4001 and get your copy of our free guide, Generating Retirement Income. If you're concerned about making sure that your portfolio will be able to meet your income needs in retirement, this guide may help. Call 800-393-4001, or you can download it right now from our website, armstrongadvisory.com.
Securities offered through Securities America Incorporated. Member FINRA SIPC. And advisory services offered through Securities America Advisors Incorporated. Charles Zana, representative. Armstrong Advisory Group and the Securities America companies are unaffiliated.
What's the perfect holiday gift this holiday season? Untucked shirts. They're the comfortable...
On 98.5, the Sports Hub.
Time, throw on,
A very impressive interview. Forget that answer, which was good by itself, but
She went to let oxygen, I went to ESPN, but when that show...
some of your favorite local shops and see what they have to offer this holiday season.
959-972. The giving is so easy to do. You just need your contact information, how much you'd like to give, and how you'd like to pay. And hey, since it's the end of the year,
Price ever. You can get a standard...
for a 2020 tax deduction, even if you don't itemize. How about that? So please support WCRB and all it has meant to you this year. Once again, 888-995-9272. Online contributions are welcome. Just look for the donate button at classicalwcrb.org.
And we want you to unlock that French person inside of you, or that Spaniard who's been waiting to get out. We have this great Babbel offer for you, only until 1 o'clock though. Time is running out on this. Support WCRB, $10 a month, and you'll get that 1-year ad-free subscription. We'll send you a code. You don't have to wait for anything. It's easy to activate it. It activates right away, and boom, you're in and learning Russian, just like that. 14 languages to choose from. But if it's